Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in Republic Finance. First step is to open your browser. You can choose any of your browser like Firefox, Safari. Here I am choosing Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in Republic Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the homepage of Republic Finance website. On the top right corner, you can see sign in option with the human icon. Click on it. Here you have two options if you want to sign in to your account or if you want to continue on your online application. Now to sign in, click on sign in to my account. Now you need your email address and your password to sign in, so type in your email. Now type in your password. Now if you click on this box, then you are ensuring that you are saving the information on your browser. You can leave it as unchecked if you are logging from a public computer. If you have forgot your password, you can click here and reset it. And if you want to set up online access, you can click on this link. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Republic Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.